Tricia, it seems like every time I turn around, you're using something that you use in the kitchen out in the garden. So what's up with that?
Well, there are a lot of good formulas that come right out of our kitchen shelves. Well, today I wanted to talk about grasshoppers and blister beetles and other kind of gnawing bugs that just destroy our plants. Look at these leaves.
Yeah, it looks like there's some problems right there with that one.
Yeah. Well, I'll tell you, there's this really easy way to control them. First of all, you want to shake off the plants a little bit and kind of get the grasshoppers or whoever kind of crawling around a little bit. And then we use simple flour. This is just regular flour, not self-rising, because that has some additives like salt and some other things. And you're just going to sprinkle over the plant the flour. Best time to do this is early in the morning when there's dew, so it will kind of cling to it.
Now, how's this really going to kill the grasshoppers or some of the other chewing insects? I mean, it's not poison to them.
No, it's not poison, but you know how you feel when maybe you ate one too many cookies and you just can't eat one more?
Right.
Well, the same thing with the grasshoppers and these other chewers. They start chewing on the flour instead of the plant, and their gums get all gummy, and they just can't eat one more thing.
I've never heard of that. Now, do you leave this on for a period of time or what?
That's a very good question to ask, because it's very important, since plants thrive on photosynthesis. It has to happen for them to grow. You leave this on no longer than 2 days, and then just mist it off with a fine mist of water, and then the plant should be back in shape again.
Okay, so flour on flowers means no grasshoppers. I think I've got it.